I'm gonna make a quick little video. I have a Shoei X12. It's in great condition. Unfortunately, the center pad has deteriorated to the point where you cannot wear it and there's no cushion for you, and it's a little bit dangerous. I've scoured the internet looking for a new center pad for the Shoei X12. They all show out of stock. But with some more research, I found out that the RF 1200 pad looked very similar. So I took a chance and I purchased it. Absolutely fits perfect. Same connections. Sorry, doing this one-handed. Fits like a glove up front. Snaps in the same in the back. Works perfect. Here is the part number. RF 1200. I ordered it off of Amazon. I believe it was $50. Could not find this information anywhere. So there you go.